bloody alarm. Excuse me being in, you're going to see me behind, so. Ding, 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 ding. Yeah. I knew they'd fly off, but yeah, ding, ding. First the bread, and then the, ding, ding. Alright, you got water. Oh, I'm going to try and be as quick as I can. Come on. Ding, ding. It is cold. Oh my babies, I'm so glad you're still here. Yeah, Din Din. You should know by now what I'm doing. I'm putting the food down and no, this one's coming back. One's on the veranda. Yep. The red is the thing that takes the longest. Because I have to make it small. Where are the other birds that usually come? Oh, there's a little pigeon there. Those other brown birds, are they here? At least it's sunny a little bit. With my anxiety, when I need to leave the house, my body overheats and I start sweating. And then as soon as I come home, I feel the cold because I'm relaxed and I'm not anxious anymore. Like the anxiety is gone. I'm in my comfort zone. Yeah, ding ding. The little ones have come, landed on the washing line. Your favourite. And I'm going to put seeds down. And then it looks like next pay I'm going to have to buy more seeds. And I'm going to build them like a shelter or something. Because I don't know where they're at. I'm not done yet. This is just the bread. I have to get up and get the seeds, guys. I have to get the ding-ding. The seeds, the ding-ding. Not just this. But I'm sorry I'm late. Like I said, I had to go to chemist, go to the psychologist first, and chemist. Oh my god, a little one has already landed to get bread. Little sparrow. You can get bread if you want. I won't stop you. What happened? Why'd you fly off? It scared you. done, guys. Sorry, I'm trying to be as fast as I can. With the din din. But tomorrow I'm gonna have to change your water. Today is fine, but tomorrow change it. Oh, that was yeah, babies. Oh, look at you. Oh my God, you're so gorgeous. Oh, you're so pretty. You're so cute. Yeah, didn't you? I still can't get over how cute the sparrows are. The little brown sparrows. Okay, bread. Trying to get the bread off from me. I'm only getting up. I'm only getting up. Din din! Din din! I'm getting you din din. Now I'm getting the seeds. The seeds is the din din. The bread and the seeds. Watch, look. I'm putting the seeds down. Watching? This is the seeds. This is the din din. Yeah. Seeds means din din. There's a lot of sparrows today. Is it because I'm standing? Oh, they'll get used to me eventually. Alright, and then I'll get the other ones. Hang on. I probably look like shit. I don't care. Alrighty. Okay. Din din, time to eat. Come on. Din din, time to eat. Oh, now you don't come? Come on. Din din. Time to eat. Come on. It's finished. It's ready. No birds. No birds. No cats. Come on. Din din, time to eat. Come on, babies. Look at the little sparrows. Oh my God, they're so cute. Oh my God, they're so cute. Look at them. Look at the babies. Good to see that the brown one's here. The OG. The ones that came the first time. They're still coming. Look at the little ones. Oh, hop, hop. Hop, hop, hop. Now it's like, do I stand like a statue and not move? Look, that's a new one. Come on, guys. Din din. Din din. Where'd that one go? The one that I just saw. That's new. I'd never seen that one before. Damn, that was gorgeous. I'm going to have to play back the video. Be nice. Be nice. That's a new one. Come on. Din din. Ah, the crow. The crow. Hey. Hello. Hi, gorgeous. That's why. Be nice. I think that's the baby. Well, it had a sibling or something. But I haven't seen you in a long time. There's water as well. If you're thirsty. Din din. I said din din. Din din. It's okay, Crow. It's okay. You can eat. Oh, there's that one. Is it that one that I saw? Look how gorgeous it is. That one, that's brand new. That one stepped on that one. Oh, they're little sparrows. They're just too cute. It's cuteness overload. Or was it that one? Was it this one that I saw? Oh my god, they're so cute. I just want to hold them in my arms. Yeah, drink the water, sweetie. It's okay. Good. I know you're thirsty. There's water at the front as well. Everyone is welcome, okay? Everyone can eat. There's plenty to share. There's plenty for everyone. Okay, if he wants to or she wants to eat and drink, she can, or he. There's heaps of bread in the center, but the little ones are like not able to get in there, the little sparrows, but there's like heaps of bread in the middle. Oh, poor baby's thirsty. Who scared them? It's okay, babies. Din din. Din din, mama. Din din. Oh, I forgot to show you all these ones that are there. And there's still those ones on the trees. That one. Look how gorgeous that one is. See that one? That's new. That's a new pigeon. Stunning. I just can't express how much joy this gives me. Yep, shut on your beak. You can tell which ones have been here for a while, and you can tell which ones are the new ones, basically. Yeah, Din Din. Oh, here are the brown ones. The other brown ones. Oh, well, it came and went. Little sparrows. Yeah, guys, there's plenty of bread in the middle. You just have to go in there. There you go, babies. Oh, and the seeds too. They're eating the seeds. Bit of the bread. I'm stuck here because I'm gonna have to move like very, very slowly to go back in the house. standing here like a statue. There's those brown ones. Oh, it went. Oh, the little one's drinking. The little one's drinking. Oh, look. Look at the new one. What is it now? Din Din. Din Din. Oh, they've fed. Well, you can eat and drink. I guess they filled up. Din Din. There's plenty still. Look in the middle. There's some bread you can eat as well. Yeah, you can tell this one's new. And you got these ones up there. No, stay, sweetie. Stay, eat. Come on. Din Din. Din Din. Eat my babies. Come on. Eat, sweeties. Okay, Mama's going to go inside now. Just going to go back away slowly to the door. Just backing away slowly, okay? Oh, Din Din, time to eat. I'm just going to get inside. Okay. Have it. Oh. Okay. All right, my babies, eat. Whoever's left. Eat your food. Din Din. I'll leave you to it. Bless their hearts. I can't express to you how much I love them. I love them as much as I love my cats. I love them as much as I love Alana, as much as I love my family. I mean, oh, look, the little ones are back down there now. Oh, well, they were. As soon as I get to the window, the crow is here. The crow. Just as I went in. Uh-oh, that's why they flew off, the little. Yes, Chama, come have a look. Look, see the bird? Can you see the crow? Yeah, he'll be eating the bread. There's the little ones. Hop, hop. Second one. Oh. They can eat. They can drink. Oh, that one put it in the water. So did that one. Oh, see, they're very clever. This is why I love crows. They're very smart. Thirsty? Oh. Okay, dip it in the water. Dip. Yep. And eat. Yep. Oh. This one. Okay, go and dip. Yep, yep. And eat. And the next one. Oops. That one. Oh, two in the mouth. At least that one got a piece. That's sharing. Isn't that lovely? Is that a boyfriend-girlfriend thing, or are they partners? Oh, she ate both. Oh, no, there's some for him or her. I don't know which is which. But the other ones, they're kind of like, fuck, we want to eat, but you're in the way. I don't know where they flew. Oh, one's there. They're so beautiful. Look how beautiful they are. Oh, how I would love to just hold one or two or 10. Anyway, there's still food there. Din Din! The little sparrows. There's plenty of food for the little sparrows. They can go down and eat the rest. Look at these cute things. Look at them. Cute little munchkins. Have you seen anything cuter? Look at the little babies. Look at the little babies. Yeah, now they're coming. Come on.
Come on, that's cuteness overload. Why? Why fly off? Eat, little ones. Eat. Look at all the food that's there for you. Eat. See, honestly, since I've started feeding them, the population has grown in I'll call them brown canaries, but they're sparrows, I guess. But their population has grown, their family has grown. So